doing good. I get a little surprise in the mail today, of all days, on a Saturday. Didn't realize I was going to get this soon. This is from Ultrasabers. Now, there's a costume I'm working on. It's a Plo Koon, the Jedi Master Plo Koon cosplay. And I've got pretty much the Jedi outfit already, but I special ordered his lightsaber from Ultrasabers. I own about 4 of their sabers for my Darth Revan. I do Darth Revan as well, and I also did I've got a Vader that they did, and another custom that I just have for fun. But this one I'm super excited about because this is Plo Koon. It's a very unique saber in onto itself that he carries. The hilt is just awesome. He carries different variations of the actual saber color. The most prominent one is blue. There's been some times where he has an orange or a yellow saber, but I stuck with the blue saber just because it's known pretty much throughout the galaxy as the main Jedi saber color. And then you have the greens, which Luke had, but you also have Mace Windu, who had a purple. You didn't see many other variations besides those 3. Mainly the most common one is the blue saber. So I went with blue on this one. So let's go ahead and open it. I haven't seen it in person, so you'll be looking at it with me as well. So we're going to open this sucker up. It looks like it's really well packaged. So they make sure you get these nice and safe. Cut it open here. Alright. Here. Pop that open. A lot of bubble wrap. And, oh my goodness. Just make sure nothing else in here too. Okay, cool. You do get a little booklet. That's kind of like for your care of your saber, types of batteries. I believe they take the AA. I've got it in my pocket in case we go ahead and light it up for you. And you get their business card too. So you'll get that with your saber. And set this over here. But yeah, it comes nicely packaged as well. So you've got it completely in bubble wrap. So they protect that sucker for you. Go ahead and take this out. I'm going to find out where it begins. There we go. Okay, so we found it here. Oh wow, I'm going to enjoy this one. Ultrasabers has never failed to make nice sabers. They're always they're at the conventions mostly. You'll see them there. Of course, you can order online. I'll put that information in the video as well and in the description, so be sure you check that. And I mean, they've got hundreds of different variations of sabers that you can customize. You don't necessarily have to have the movie versions, which they do have, but you can also have your own version. So if you want to create your own Jedi or Sith Lord, Acolyte, or whatever, Dark User, whatever type of Jedi or Sith Lord you want to do. So they've got tons of different colors of sabers too. So you don't have to do the traditional saber. This is beautiful. It's all aluminum. Aircraft aluminum. You've also got the holder here in case you do decide you want to get the hilt alone. They do also make removable sabers as well, but you're going to go up a little bit more too. They have the sound and everything. Now this one I didn't do sound just because it's my just regular hold saber for photos, things like that. But because you're going to get up there in several $100s, if not more, in your saber. So once you start getting fancier and fancier, but just the craftsmanship. Oh, they already got batteries in it. Oh Lord, check that out. Look how bright that saber is. So they do come with batteries already. So I'm excited. Now typically it'll be here. You undo your hilt down the bottom to install your batteries. Look at that. It is bright. Very nice. This is Plo Koon's saber. I will do and also a box opening of my new Plo Koon mask, which is being made by O'Neill FX, all silicone. Beautiful. Can't wait to see that. That should be coming up in a couple more weeks. It takes about 4 weeks, I believe, to have that through production. But this is incredible. Look at that hilt. I mean, I just can't get over how awesome that hilt is on there. I hope it's focusing in okay, but it's a beautiful, beautiful hilt. But this is the Plo Koon version. It's very accurate to what they do. And again, like I said, they do have custom versions. You can also do your own, where you do your sound, do your different lights. I mean, it's just an array of different ways you can set these up. So I do highly recommend Ultrasabers as your go-to source for sabers. Unless you, I mean, there's other manufacturers out there who make great sabers. I'm just sold on them because I've been with them for so long. I purchased my very first Ultrasaber at Dragon Con years ago. They have a huge booth set up with all kinds of different versions of their sabers, and also if you went to Star Wars Celebration, they have a huge booth there too. Just people lined up getting their sabers. So again, I just really highly recommend their lightsabers. They're beautiful, and there's your on-off switch here. Now they, if you look at it too, they add all these cool little features, buttons, and other light-up things on your saber as well. So if you down the road you want to get recustomized or customized, you can do that. I mean, it's the little knobs. Oops, that knocked it off. Oops, it screws in. So let's go screw that in. Push it in there tight. So we'll put that in there. There we go. So again, they're aluminum. They're not plastic. So they're well made. So yeah, everything's good. It's just the way it lights up. You know, look at that. So let me do this. Let me turn up the lights. I'll come right back. You still kind of have lights in here, but I've dimmed it a little bit down. There you go. Check that out. There you go. That is just awesome. Look at that. I mean, look at the illumination. Just an incredible piece of work. So please like and subscribe, and we'll have some more stuff coming up real soon. I'll also be sharing the completion of Plo Koon, the entire costume with the mask as well. Next up on this series for Plo Koon will definitely be the mask. So look for that hopefully in the next few more weeks when we get that. But yeah, you guys take care, and may the Force be with you.